Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XPEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, and unfortunately the price broke down below this green line here. But with that, I'm going to go ahead, now that we have more data, and actually adjust this level of support down to this area right here at 31.25, which really stands out like a sore thumb right now. I mean, if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see behaved as support. Right there during that crazy 30 minutes, behaved as support. Right here during that crazy 30 minutes, behaved as support. So moral of the story, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching 31.25, and a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing. Call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And by no means am I saying this is guaranteed to happen, because there's no such thing as a guarantee. My core point here is that, if the price were to come down to 31.25, behave in that manner, and then break to the downside, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, nothing's guaranteed, but that would be a more than plausible thought process to have. And then on the same, same logic, but on the opposite side of things, the other level now that we have a lot of confirmation about is this red line here, which I've talked about previously as an area of resistance up around the 36.50 mark. But you can see during the first 30 minutes of the day, price started off strong, but surprise, surprise, I mean, literally got rejected right up at that red line. So point here being that, again, no such thing as a guarantee, but it's more than plausible to think that if the price works its way back up to that area and then gets a break up through it, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure, because you're going to have a bunch of breakout players watching that exact area there. So really, more of the story going into Wednesday are there two key technical levels. First key technical level up at 36.35. Next level down there around 31.25. So let's see how the price continues to behave relative to these couple of areas. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.